sort of for years, it's our bucket list, and so we wanted to see Machu Picchu, and it was pretty amazing. But wow, Cuzco, I loved Cuzco, and the people have been wonderful. The food has been wonderful.
Welcome to Peru.
Yeah, we've just had a great time.
When we first stepped through the gate at Machu Picchu and actually saw the ruins, it was truly breathtaking. Very breathtaking.
You have the Pacific Ocean with beautiful beaches. You have valleys, you have mountains, you have the Andes, you have the Titicaca Lake, you have Machu Picchu. Peru is the beauty of the world concentrated in one country.
Don't wait for long, my friends. Come to Lima, come to Peru, and enjoy with us the best of Peru with Gate 1 Travel.
It is absolutely incredible. It is one of the most impressive experiences of my life, and it's a dream come true.